Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my oven. I'm going to move my oven and clean inside out. So I've got some of my product here, cleaning product here. And I'm going to do the same with my microwave. So here I've got some water. I'm going to add some the carbonate of soda and some vinegar and lemon juice. That goes to the microwave. So I'm going to put my microwave on for 1 minute. And next, what I'm going to do, I'll go here, I put some water, vinegar, and bicarbonate of soda. So I'm going to spray it and leave it for at least half an hour. Then I'll come back. I clean my, so I'm going to start by moving my So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I need to move my oven and show you how it looks like. So I'm cleaning inside out today. It's a TiksTok cleaning motivation. Thank you. So this is how it looks like, the back of my oven. So it's good to do it at least every 2 weeks. So first I off my oven. Before you start, you need to off your oven for health and safety. So thank you. And you also need your gloves. Protect your hand. Thanks. So I put some water, vinegar, and baking soda here, and warm water. This is how I do. You can see how it's coming out. So I put hot water, so it's coming out easy. Even between the towels, I clean them.